guys, today I will share with you two things you need to use to tighten up your VJ down there. Cider vinegar, and aloe vera, but I am here to teach you the appropriate and the best way to use it to do the work. So if this is going to please you, keep watching. Hello guys, welcome back. This is Katia Valino. This channel is strictly education channel. When you come to this channel, expect to take something home. Skincare, weight loss, relationship, fashion. Expect to take anything home. So today I have been asked this question so many times. It's long overdue question about the things that we need to tighten our VJ, especially after the things that we need to use to strengthen our VJ. A lot of us does not understand what pH balance mean. Our entire body have its own pH balance, but down in our VJ, the pH balance is expected to be 3.8 to 4.5. So most of the time we lose our pH balance, most especially after the monthly period, after childbearing, we tend to lose our pH balance and the VJ tend to expand. So I will be telling you two things that you just need to do to restore your pH balance. One of them is alkaline and the other one is a little bit acidic. So no other than aloe vera gel. It is very, very alkaline. So after your period, after having babies, after so many things can alter the pH balance of our VJ. So all you need to do on how to restore your pH balance and also to tighten your VJ is aloe vera gel. Now, this is how you use your aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel, we know here, it's a little bit slimy. It is antibacterial. It will help to balance your pH level in your VJ. So all you need to do, especially after you finish having a shower at night, take a little bit of aloe vera and rub it down there. Make sure you're not going to sleep with anybody because you need down there to absorb the aloe vera gel. Yes, I have seen people who say that they can insert the gel into the VJ. If that is going to work for you, go ahead and do that. But for me, I suggest using it topically around that area at least 3 times a week before you go to bed, and you will begin to see some result very sooner or later. Or you can ingest the aloe vera gel or add it into your daily smoothies. That is going to work for you. The next one is SCV. Yes, SCV is mildly acidic. It has a pH balance of 2 to 3. So when you completely lose your pH level down there, it's really after you douche. You don't have to douche. So after you douche, you lose your pH balance down there. Again, apple cider will help to restore your pH level, even though it is a little bit acidic, but also alkaline. So what you're gonna do is take 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, put it in a cup of water, and use it to wash your VJ. Do this as well 3 times a week, and you will see your VJ beginning to tighten up, especially after that time of the month, after childbearing, when you think that everything is wide and wider open. Use aloe vera gel and SCV to bring back your pH balance and to tighten you down there. So guys, I hope this makes sense to you. Somebody has been asking me for this video forever and ever. Patricia Presley, I hope this answers the question. Leave me your thoughts and your comments down below. See you guys. Bye. Hey, remember to subscribe and share the video.